Hello and welcome to the Practical Russian course for beginning students. Your Russian teacher for this course is Tamara Morton. Here the course continues with how to say hello and please in Russian. To learn how to say Здравствуйте, which is hello in Russian, we will begin with the last syllable. The word is divided into 3 syllables. The letter V in grey in the first syllable is almost silent.
Repeat each syllable after me. Те, те, вуй, вуй, вуйте, вуйте, здраст, здраст, здравствуй, здравствуй, здравствуйте, здравствуйте.
Hello in Russian has a formal and informal version. Здравствуйте is used formally at work or addressing an older person. Здравствуй is used informally to address children, friends and family. Now, how to say please or you are welcome in Russian. The letter U and short E in grey are almost silent.
Ста, ста, жал, жал, жалста, жалста, по, пожал, пожал, пожалуйста, пожалуйста, пожалуйста. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time for lesson 1 in my practical Russian course for beginning students.